For all jury members and my associate participants of Jignasa project, a very good morning and welcome to Jignasa project 2022-23. And our title project is Strategies for Learning Vocabulary in English. And this is submitted by 6 students: G. Jayant, P. Navya, P. Shivani, V. Pushkara of MSTDS second year and G. Shirisha, G. Raghu of final year. And this is supervised by K. Krishnaya sir, Assistant Professor, English, SRR or Government Arts and Science College, Karimnagar. And my name is G. Jayant of MSTDS second year, and my part of this project is Introduction, Hypothesis and Importance of Learning Vocabulary in English. And come to introduction. In the trend of globalization, internationalization of language is inevitable. English undoubtedly plays the most important role. It is consists of 3 aspects: pronunciation, vocabulary and grammar. It is clear that vocabulary is the most essential and vital part of the 3 aspects. And next one is the statement of the problem or hypothesis. Vocabulary is the one of the 3 most important aspects of language. It is fundamental in forming sentences and expressing thoughts and feelings. In order to communicate fluently with others, the first premise is that we must have a large consistent vocabulary. When faced with so many words to learn, it is necessary to research vocabulary learning strategies. This study mainly focuses on strategies for learning vocabulary in English. And finally, importance of vocabulary learning. The famous linguist Wilkins comments that without grammar, little can be expressed, but without vocabulary, nothing can be expressed. By the comments of linguists, we can conclude that the vocabulary is the most important in any language.
Good morning to everyone. My name is P. Shivani from BSc second year MSTDS. My role for Jignasa project is aims and objectives and review of literature. Aims and objectives of the present study. I am explaining the importance and purpose of vocabulary learning strategies, defining and classifying vocabulary learning strategies, suggesting specific strategies for learning vocabulary, helping students learn vocabulary, improving students' interest in learning vocabulary, and review of literature. Language learning strategies became a major research topic in 1970s, and vocabulary learning strategy was a major component. Studies by O'Malley and Chomot in 1986 confirmed that most language learning strategies can be used for vocabulary tasks. My name is V. Pushkara from MSTDS second year. My role for this Jignasa project is research purpose and significance and research methodology. To present study is concerned with vocabulary learning strategies. For students, effective learning strategies not only increase their vocabulary size to make learning meaningful, but also improve students' learning autonomy. In fact, it also boosts self-confidence and self-study ability. Research methodology. While identifying the problem, the importance of the topic and the aims and objective, we researched some articles and books written by different authors and detailed review on the definition and classification of vocabulary learning strategies.
My name is G. Shirisha from MSTCS final year. My role in this project, data collection and analysis of data. Primary sources, secondary sources. In this secondary sources, 2 books and an article, internet, Wikipedia, Google Scholar, and analysis of data, definition, classification and analysis of vocabulary learning strategies. In this we classified metacognitive strategies, cognitive strategies, social or affecting strategies.
is G. Raghu, MSTCS final year. My role in this project is metacognitive strategies and cognitive strategies. First strategy is selective attention. Students pay more attention to words that are considered or remembered as frequently used words. Another one strategy is learning autonomy. A lot can be learned and memorized from vocabulary books, English newspapers or magazines. Increase the knowledge of vocabulary. Cognitive strategies. Dictionary use is a strategy. Dictionary use strategy belongs to one of the cognitive strategies. A dictionary is the most efficient and immediate way to learn vocabulary. Another strategy is the guessing strategy. Students can predict word meanings by word structure. Students can judge the meanings of words depending on the context. Another strategy is note taking. Cognitive strategies includes note taking. Students can note down useful expressions or phrases related to a word. Vocabulary conclude.
But research of all these strategies, we conclude that vocabulary learning not only refers to mastering a certain number of words or phrases, but also includes the ability to use vocabulary correctly. Therefore, correct vocabulary learning strategies are very important. These are the references which are used in our study. Thank you.
Thank you, one and all.